Hi, good morning. I'm Jens Chapman and I'm a spine surgeon here at the beautiful Swedish Neuroscience Institute. Today I'm speaking to you at the fantastic facilities at the Seattle Science Foundation. I'm wearing this green jacket in recognition of the Spine Masters course. We've had 14 years of those, and on July 11th we have our newest iteration. It's called Learning from Legends. We invite 4 very special people that you can directly learn, hear, see, interact with these legends in spine surgery. The first one is Dr. Chris Shaffrey, Chair of Spine Surgery at Duke. He's the only neurosurgeon and orthopedic surgeon who is dually board certified, and he's one of the international undisputed legends in spine. The second faculty member is Amer Samdani, Professor of Neurological Surgery at the Shriners Hospital in Philadelphia. So Amer Samdani is one of those amazing people who really has a phenomenal program and who makes miracles happen for young kids with really bad spine problems, both neurologically and structurally. Our number 3 reveal is Dr. Rudolph Bertagnoli. He's a professor of orthopedic surgery. He is in Straubing, Germany, and he works in Dubai. He does a lot of things that we in the US can't do for regulatory reasons. He has been a godfather of motion-preserving surgery, and so many of current techniques like anterior cervical disc arthroplasty or posterior inner spinous process spacers come from him. Dr. Nick Theodore himself, chairman of neurosurgery at Banner Health in Phoenix, Arizona. Absolute mastermind in neurosurgery and spine surgery, and the godfather of the Globus robot, the Globot as we call it. You can hear from him, you can hear about his ideas and thoughts about new technologies. So please join us July 11th, 2026 at this year's 14th iteration of the Spine Masters course, and the title is Learning from Legends. Thank you very much. See you there.